Linking your bank account to Webull is a straightforward process that allows you to deposit and withdraw funds easily. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Open the Webull app. Launch the Webull app on your mobile device or access the Webull website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Sort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account linking. Within the account settings, look for an option that says bank account or link bank account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your bank information, follow any additional prompts to verify your identity. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation that your bank account is successfully linked to your Webull account. Now you can easily manage your funds on Webull. If you encounter any issues, refer to Webull's customer support for assistance.